Welcome to a new edition of Nature's Glory Cabin Technical Edition. Today we're installing the Rugged Ridge Dana 30 front skid plate, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Here's the video. Thanks. Here we are today. We're going to do another quick technical session. We're going to install the differential skid plate for the front Dana 30. We got a 3/8 inch ratchet, a 13 millimeter socket, and we have a 3/16 Allen for the 5 Allen head socket bolts, and the skid plate itself, and we'll use a little Loctite on the bolts. So let's get to it. Hopefully we can get these 5 bolts out with breaking the seal. They're not in very tight, just enough to hold back the fluid, and you don't want them very tight. I have already pre-Loctited all of these bolts, so hopefully we can just get started easily. I kind of go in a star pattern around to kind of put the load on evenly. Once I get them all in, then I'll snug them up. You don't want them very tight. It's a non-pressurized fluid, so.
Start slowing them down. One more time around.
There you have it. Done. Thanks for watching.